The Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro versus the Ulefone Power Armor 18T. A lot of people are saying that the Power Armor 18T is expensive, which is understandable, but the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro is expensive than the Ulefone Armor 18T, and in this video I'll be comparing the specs of both devices, and of course you guys can share your thoughts in the comment section below which of the two devices you think is best. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's see which of the two devices has the best specs. So there we go guys, which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.